The HedraCAM 3D point cloud comparison module is one of the featured functional components of the HedraCAM software, specially developed for industrial applications including additive manufacturing of parts, cladding repair and remanufacturing, and subtractive manufacturing, high-precision compensation for polishing and fillet machining by comparing 3D CAD models with scanned point cloud models. This module automatically identifies defective or excess areas on workpieces and generates precise robot repair or compensation machining paths. It enables a fully automated workflow ranging from model alignment to path export, drastically improving the efficiency and machining accuracy of repair and compensation operations.